Okay, so now we're up to temperature. I'm not sure if you can hear the engine or not, but it's idling nicely. And what we'll do is I'll just go take a quick ride around the block so you can see what it's like when we're driving it. I'll give this to my son. We will take the brake off, go in first, and head on out. Took off a little faster just for effect for everybody. Okay, we'll take a little spin on here. So I love how the transmission sounds on these vehicles. A little bit of that whine. When you're driving these things, it really feels like you're driving a vehicle. You can feel it, you can hear it. It's a fun experience. Third gear. I spend a lot of time in third gear in this truck when I'm driving around town. The transmission shifts very smooth. It's nice and tight. That's one of the things that we had done to this truck when we first got it from Greece, is we rebuilt the transmission, or what they call the gearbox. It's a 5-speed Spanish box, they call it, because it was manufactured in Spain. And we also took the transfer case, which it looked a little bit, the fluid looked a little milky, and so we took that apart as well and disassembled it. Upon inspection, it looked great. Everything looked fine on it. Probably was just a little bit of water contamination, because I know that the gentleman that owned it before me definitely took it off-road and used it to its full capacity. So we just put everything together on the transfer case and sealed it up, new fluid, cleaned it up first, new fluid, put it together, and then we did do a full rebuild on the transmission. The reason we did the rebuild on the transmission is when we first got it, it would not shift down from third gear to second gear, and so we just changed out, did a full rebuild, changed out all the bearings, all the seals, all the synchro meshes were changed as well. So I think we're going to go ahead and sign off now, but this is what it's like to drive this thing around town.